update on SHIBA. I'm starting y'all on the 4 hourly today because a pattern has formed. And as y'all can see, like I was telling y'all before, this was what I was planning on to happen. I was planning on the 20 day to hit the 50 day. Look at it. It literally touched each other, and the very next candlestick was massive. So basically, it turned the 20 MA, because as y'all can see right here, every time it hit the 20, it came back down after the drop, right? And now it spiked over, and now it bounced off of the 20, and now it's using it for support instead of resistance. Now a new resistance line is right here, and as y'all can see, that's where the massive stopping pressure was. When you see candlesticks like this that don't have no wick at the top, that's stopping pressure. That means it's going back down, but it will break through. So anyways, so we expecting this to go down. We already didn't tap the 50, so we're gonna be in the general area. We should not go below this level today or this week. Below the 20 EMA. We should just continuously bounce off of it. So once we get this bounce on this 4 hourly, probably the next 4 hours, we're gonna actually see a major jump. Somewhere up here, around 32 micro pennies. And after that, we basically back into the highs we've been at. And definitely after we hit this 35 micro pennies, we flying to the second level until we reach, until we reach the completion of the second level. There'll be something similar to this, and it has to come back down and touch. It had to come back down and touch the 50 MA. It has to confirm the level. So that's what we're looking for next. So in this pattern, after we get this retracement, right, it's going to come back up here. We might get a little resistance, but I don't believe it's not going to retrace till we get to these highs that we previously was at. Then it's going to retrace, and then we're going to blow through to the second level, and that'll, be some massive gains, because I'm expecting at least another 150% candle coming through with SHIBA, in this week by itself. That's what I'm expecting, And you know what I like to say? Anything I'm saying is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions. But yeah, everything looking good with SHIBA. Like I always tell y'all, be patient. The impatience is what's going to catch you off guard, man. It's going to catch you slipping. So don't be impatient. So I even got you on the hourly. Boom. We just bouncing off the EMAs, but we finally broke through, the resistance we've been through for the last about a week or so. They had to do that because they put a lot of money in the SHIB and made it move first, and they had to make other coins make its move. So they had to, they can't do everything at the exact same time. They're going to spike these prices when it's needed, when no one pays attention, because they can see our orders. If they see there's a lot of orders there, they're not going to give us the money. They're going to wait till people start tripping, and getting scared and losing money. Then that's when they're going to make their move. I got to understand, trading is a psychological game. It really is. Trust me. I lost a lot of money before I understood that, and before I really got a hang of it. I lost mad money. Don't get me wrong, but I learned, and as y'all can see, I learned. But everything's psychological. You can even know these patterns and know how the chart works. But if you ain't got your mental straight, you're gonna lose money, man. Unfortunately, it happens. But that's how you learn. Sometimes you gotta lose money to learn, unfortunately. But as long as you're learning, it's cool. But if you're not learning, you're just losing and keep doing the same thing over and over and again, you might have to move on, and look at something that's better for you. But otherwise, just listen to the advice I'm giving you. I'm just telling you what I know. And what I know really ain't free. I'm just telling you that, but I'm giving it for free. So I'm just one of these guys, man. I like to see people do good. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, you make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.